Hello everybody, welcome to SAAS Tank. This is a place where you can easily create a SaaS network for your website design business. In this video, I will show you how to install one of our web hosting network. All you have to do is go to saastank.io and click on the Get Started button. You will be taken to our template library. This is where you can browse all of our available templates. Just simply pick any template, then you will be able to check out these networks demo. One of the key features of these networks is that you can pre-built website templates and make it available for your customer to sign up. This is perfect if you are running a website design agency, because you can pre-built these website templates and easily launch a website for your customer. Your website design business can run on autopilot because customer can simply sign up for a website, choose a site title, pick a website URL. Then they can go to the next step to choose a service plan. Just like that, they can now create an account by enter their email, username, password. This is their order summary, and this is where they can enter their credit card information. Just like that, they can click checkout to complete sign up for a website on your web hosting network. It will take a few seconds for the network to set up a website for your customer. Customer can go to the admin panel to start making changes, or they can visit the front end of the website. This is the website URL. And this is the exact website template that the customer chose earlier. Okay, so now, I will show you how to sign up for SaaS Tank Web Hosting Network. Simply go back to saastank.io, choose the network and click on Get Started. Now, all you have to do is choose a domain name for your network. Click Continue to go to the next step. You will have the option of choose DNS management, ID protection, and email forwarding with your domain name. Please keep in mind some of these features are free, and some of these are premium features. If you have a coupon, you can enter it here. Other than that, you can click on the checkout button to go to the next step. Now, all you have to do is just enter your informations and create an account. Keep in mind, you are going to use these informations to log into the client area where you will be able to manage your account. Simply click Complete Order. This will trigger the setup installation for your network. Please allow the system 3 to 5 minutes to provision you with a fresh installation. Congratulations, your order is completed. You can continue to your client area dashboard. You can log into your cPanel, or you can go here to view the product details. You can click on your domain to view your network website. If you want to log into your network, please check your email. This is where you are going to find all of your system information details. Let's copy the username and password of your SaaS network. Now in your browser, enter your network domain name, then /wp-admin. Paste in your credentials here and click Login. Just like that, you are in your WordPress dashboard. You can go to User and change the password so that you can better remember it. Alright everybody, that's it for this video. I want to thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any question, please contact me at ceo@saastank.io.